The innovative composition of the topical ointment designed to combat tungiasis infestation represents a harmonious blend of traditional medicinal herbs and modern pharmaceutical advancements. The first component of this potent fusion comprises a meticulously chosen selection of local herbs celebrated for their antiparasitic and anti-inflammatory properties. Among these herbs are Neem, Azadirachta indica, known for its potent antiparasitic effects, and Aloe Vera, renowned for its soothing properties. These herbs, sourced from the local environment, reflect the rich indigenous knowledge embedded in the affected communities. Neem, with its active compounds like Azadirachtin, has been traditionally used for its potent antiparasitic properties. It not only helps in eliminating the sand flea responsible for tungiasis but also mitigates the inflammatory response caused by the parasitic invasion. Aloe Vera, on the other hand, adds a layer of soothing relief to the affected skin, addressing the discomfort associated with the infestation. The careful integration of these traditional herbs creates a holistic approach to tungiasis management, combining local wisdom with scientific understanding. The second component of the ointment introduces a modern pharmaceutical breakthrough, a clinically proven anti-tungiasis agent. This chemical compound is designed to target the life cycle of Tunga penetrans, disrupting its reproductive capabilities and hindering its ability to propagate the infestation. The pharmaceutical component enhances the precision and efficacy of the treatment, providing a targeted approach to eradicating the parasitic menace. The synergy between traditional herbs and modern pharmaceutical elements is a hallmark of the ointment's effectiveness. It not only addresses the symptoms of tungiasis but also targets the root cause, ensuring a comprehensive therapeutic impact. The incorporation of locally sourced ingredients not only adds cultural relevance but also addresses the economic constraints faced by the communities affected by tungiasis. Moreover, the development of this ointment is a testament to the principles of sustainable healthcare. The utilization of indigenous knowledge and the active involvement of local communities in the formulation process create a sense of ownership and empowerment. As these ointments become more widely available, they have the potential to transform the landscape of tungiasis management in resource-limited settings, providing an affordable and culturally sensitive solution to those grappling with the burden of this neglected tropical disease. In conclusion, the composition of this topical ointment exemplifies the power of integrating traditional wisdom with modern innovation to address pressing global health challenges. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.